My name is Bill Handorf, and I'm the Executive Director of the Council on Alcoholism and Drug Abuse of Northwest Louisiana. We've been serving the residents of primarily northern Louisiana for almost 51 years. Our mission for those 51 years has been to provide treatment services for children, for adolescents, and for families that are suffering from alcohol or other drug addiction. On a daily basis, we provide treatment for about 200 people. 70 of those people any given day are at the Buckhalter Recovery Center downtown. That's a long-term rehab program for adults. And another 70 people we provide treatment at our Cavanaugh Treatment Center in Bossier. That facility is for adolescents that are sent here from all over the state for care for their addiction. And in that facility, we also have what's called a TANF program. It's a really unique program. It's for women and their children to be admitted for long-term care.
The Cavanaugh Treatment Center is a 70-bed licensed facility for adolescents and women with children. And we are a part of the Council on Alcoholism and Drug Abuse of Northwest Louisiana. We are 3 of their 16 programs. Believe in people, lift them up, give them a hand up, don't carry them, but show them how to get there. Our adolescents do wonderful. They live with us, they call it home. Last week we had a 3-year-old tell our van driver, "Come on, Miss Carrie, I want to go home. I want to go back to treatment." We
work very much with the Office for Addictive Disorders. That's the state agency, and the state and the council are part of a larger continuum of care that serves Northwest Louisiana.
My name is Bill Rose. I'm the director for the Buckhalter Recovery Center, which is an agency of the Council on Alcoholism and Drug Abuse of Northwest Louisiana. I started working for the council, I think it will be 11 years this December. Been working in substance abuse treatment for about 20 years. I'm a recovering addict and alcoholic. Been sober 21 years as of July 18th of 1988. Got involved in substance abuse treatment as a result of service work. The Buckhalter Recovery Center is a long-term residential treatment program that serves adult men and women ages 18 and above. We basically have 2 levels of care. One is social detox, where we treat individuals that are withdrawing from various types of drugs. It's a maximum of 7 days of detoxification, where we primarily help these folks go through the first dangerous stages of withdrawal. We do a comprehensive assessment and refer them to continuing care facilities.
We have several dreams. One of them is that we could open up a 3-quarter warehouse for the kids at Cavanaugh Center. We treat these kids for about 6 months, and then sometimes they have to go back to the same home that they came from, in the same neighborhood, destructive neighborhood. What we'd like to be able to do is open up a transitional group home. So once they finished inpatient treatment, we could transfer them to a group home where they could then maybe get a job or finish their schooling and not have to go back to an environment that wasn't very conducive to recovery. So that's one dream. The other one is to have a family education program, so that when these kids are admitted to the Cavanaugh Center from wherever they live in whatever part of the state, we could bring their parents up and have them go through a family week where they could learn about the illness and what their kids are learning while they're in treatment, so that if the kid has to go back to the family, they're going back to a family that really understands what their child has been through the treatment program and how to support the child's recovery. The third is that maybe we could have an outreach program, because we're only open 8 to 5 in our outpatient program. So we'd like to have someone that could respond in the evenings